Hey everybody, Sam back once again, and in today's video I'm going to be turning on the Z Flip 3. I think I might have called it the Fold, I'm not sure, in my unboxing. Anyway, who cares? I'm going to turn it on for the first time, see if there's anything that's different about a foldable device. I don't think there's going to be, but hey, we'll learn out together today, won't we? So, let's open it up. And again, it's not been turned on at all. Let's turn it on for the first time. If it's got any juice. Oh yeah. So what we'll do is we'll zoom in a little bit. We'll actually get to see it a bit easy then, won't we? There we go, hopefully it looks pretty decent. Starting Android. And basically it's going to say hello to me in multiple different languages. So we'll just click on the little blue at the bottom. Insert a SIM card. I'm not going to do that today. I'm going to do that in a future one. And yeah, we're going to go through some of the languages in a future video. But for now, I'm just going to pick English United Kingdom. Go to next. Obviously, you pick where you are. You've then got a few legal things to go through. So, do you accept the end user agreement? Do you accept the diagnostics? What I do is I only click the top one because then you can go. Don't care what companies are doing with it all the time, but I'd like a little bit of stuff to keep to myself. So, click the top one and then click next. Choose the Wi-Fi network. So hopefully my Wi-Fi's should turn up here. There we go. So it's just connect to my virus network. Just going to log into this one. Okay, and let's connect to that bad boy. Bam. Click next. It's then going to do obviously for you. If you've got a SIM card, it's probably going to go through maybe through like the service provider information. So obviously for me, it's going to ask me to restart for my service provider. Don't really know why because there's no SIM card in it, but we'll skip to the next part. Right, so it's now restarted for myself and it's gone straight to this section. Do I want to copy from a previous phone? So if you've got an old phone and you like to copy a lot of the data, you can do that right here. That's pretty cool. If you'd like me to do a video showing you how to use this in full, let me know down below. Anyway, for now, I'm actually going to skip this because I'm not going to copy anything. I am going to start it as a fresh device. So for me, don't copy. Now at this point it wants you to log into your Google account if you have one. So I'm just going to put my Google details in and again we'll go to the next section. If you don't have one, just click create account. So once you've put your details in and you got to the final stage, it'll just say this to you. Do you want to add the account? Yes or no? Here's the terms and conditions, etc. So click I agree. And I'll move on to the next section. Okay, and on here, it's asking you, do you want to back it up to your Google Drive? Do you want to allow user location, allow scanning for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth? And do you want to send your usage to Google? Again, the only thing that I don't tick is the bottom one. This one here. Again, they've got enough information about me. They don't need everything I tap as well. So click accept, and it should pass on to the next section as well. Right, this is where you get the option of your search provider. Let's be honest, we're always going to click Google and click next. So click Google, click next. Right, so now it's about doing your protection. So for logging into your phone, fingerprint, PIN number, face, password, etc. So I'm going to go ahead with my fingerprint. Just going to pick it up. So on here, blah, 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 continue. So you've got to set something as well. So you may have got like a pattern, a PIN number or a password. So I'm just going to create a PIN number. Okay, so I've put a PIN number in there. And now what it wants you to do is actually on the side of your device, as you can see here, it wants you to put your thumb on there. So just basically place it on there like this. And slightly move it around. Not too much. There you go. So it's asking me to change the position. So I'll slightly change it. There we go. Would you like to add another one or just crack on? Wow. So on this stage you want to click next. Put the phone back down. And on this part it wants to know, do I want to be doing the whole Hey Google stuff? So yes, I'm in with that one. That's where you can say to your phone, Hey Google, what is the weather like today, etc, etc. So this phone does have that as well. Okay, so at this point is actually where you can log into your Samsung account if you have one. If you don't have one, guess what? You can create one, or you can even use your Google account for your Samsung account. How easy is that going to be? So if you've got a Samsung account already, you can log into it. If it's already linked with Google, just click continue with Google, or you can skip it completely. So for me, mine is the same. So I'm just going to tap it and we'll go to the next section. Okay, so this is probably one of the most important things and something that I've not seen on a Samsung device or any other device, taking care of your phone. So pressing on the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object such as a pen or a fingernail may cause damage such as scratches or dents. Doesn't sound very strong, does it? When you fold the phone, make sure there's nothing in between. It's like no coins, etc. Pretty self-explanatory. This phone isn't dust resistant. Exposure to small particles may cause damage. This phone is water resistant at IPX8. So any other liquid fresh water, such as salt water or alcohol, can damage your phone though. Do not remove the screen protector that's applied. Don't do it. And your phone contains magnets, so keep it away from credit cards, etc., etc., medical devices and whatnot. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool actually. So I'm just going to bring it a bit closer. You can read through it. Pretty cool. I like this. Hence we don't need the leaflets when it's on the phone. Click next. And that's it, we're all set up. So it's time to finish, or shall we explore our Galaxy Z? Z, yeah. So click explore. Just going to show you some hints and tips, which I'll probably do a video on anyway, but if you want to go through it, you can do. So I'll click finish. Should take us to our actual phone, to the main screen. And there we have it. She's ready to rock and roll. And interestingly, it comes default with the button still, doesn't have the swipe gestures. So click cancel there. Happy days, right? So what we'll do is go home. It's trying to get me to put the SIM card in already. I'm just going to close it. And we'll show you what this front split looks like, shall we? You can just see that, can you? Yeah, I can just about see it. So if I double tap it, it lights up a little bit. And I can swipe through it. So music, alarms, recording. I like that. Add different widgets. Oh, that's pretty cool. So it's got your notifications as well there. Tell you what, I will do a detailed video on this if you'd like, on the actual second display. But that's it for the initial setup, or the first time setup, shall I say. And off we go. We're rocking and rolling. Huh? See if the fingerprint works. Yeah, straight away. Perfect. Anyway, people, that's it. That is the first time setup on a brand new foldable device. It's pretty much the same as any other device, isn't it, really? Just slight difference at the end where it tells you with regards to don't take stuff off, like the screen protector, make sure you're trying to avoid dust, etc., etc. Anyway, I want to say thank you for watching. Might have been a bit longer than I expected it to be, probably longer than you expected it to be, but hey, there we go. If you have any questions in regards to this or anything else, hit me up in a comment down below. Also, don't forget to smack the like button, it is very much appreciated, and go on, subscribe. It's free, honestly. Doesn't cost you a penny, a nickel or a dime. Oh, and also hit me up on Twitter. Hey up, she's talking to me already. At samjpullen. Yeah. Anyway, once again, thank you for watching, and you'll see me. Well, you might not see me, but you'll definitely hear me, and you'll see these puppies in my next video. Cheers, everyone.
I just heard your video.
Yeah? You knew I'd finished.
And I think I was out here hearing yours.
Oh, check you out.
And I was hit the like button and subscribe. Bye.
You're so cute, mate.
I know the ending.
You know my ending of my videos?
Yeah.
Check you out.
That's what people always do at the end of their videos.